Ja, kom då! Ja! Hi guys, Jones here with a random day hike. That came out strange or odd. This is Jones with a random day hike. Just me and Maui the dog. He is around. I usually don't worry about the dog, even when I don't know where he is. I suppose he knows, and he can find me whenever he wants to. It is beautiful out in the woods. It's probably spring still. I think it has to do with the temperature, average daily temperature for a number of days, and that's how they decided summer. So I suppose it's spring. Anyway guys, just gonna do some hiking, drinking some coffee possibly, letting Maui the dog do as he please. That's gonna be great. Yeah, guys, weather changed, so in my opinion need to cover up as soon as possible. And I was thinking, what about the definition of what you do when you are out in the woods? Because I have an idea, I'm gonna share it. What's the difference between going for a walk and going for a hike? I mean, if you bring a tent and spend the night, it's quite obvious. But in my opinion, if you go out in the woods and you walk around all day, but it is the kind of forest where you see moms pushing around their babies in, what do you call it, strollers, or if you have joggers, people riding a bike on the same path you are using, then in my opinion you are out for a walk, my friend. So sometimes I go for walks. I mean, I go for walks every day, but today I consider this to be a hike. It is a day hike, not very long. I'm out for a couple of hours. Did not even bring food, just brought water, coffee, but I brought a jacket, backpack and a rain cover. And I will not face any moms with strollers, no bikes, maybe a horse or two. And I mean, you can always meet some runner. But so the definition for me is more about the people you meet. So this is a hike. And now guys, out the battery. Just gonna say thank you for watching. No coffee when it's raining. And until next time, stay safe.